Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and welcome to Martyn Lucas Investor. We go live up to 10 hours a day, Monday to Friday, every trading day. I'm actually the world piano man. This is my TV studio behind me, and when special events happen throughout the morning or the afternoon or even the evening, then I will go into a birthday song for someone and celebrate. And also I have premieres that come up on my music channel. Look below this video and the main videos on the channel, and you'll see my music channel. The purpose of the channel is to be the most honest and real and most trusted service on YouTube. Everything is my own money. It's why I go live all the time. I share with you my real trades. I started out with $5,000 and here I am today. This is my entire portfolio in front of you. If I share with you my entire position, there is my entire position. All right, if I go into my Roth IRA, that's on Robinhood. That is all I have in the world other than $1,500 in my checking account just to keep me above the fees level. $1,500 in my private account, again, just to keep me above the minimum payment level. I have no mortgage, no car loan, no credit cards whatsoever. Also, I have here, I have my ledger, which is my Bitcoin, where I've taken it off and put it away. And I also have, of course, our $1,000 challenge, our crypto challenge on Coinbase. That is it. There's no other money in the world. There's no money stashed away anywhere. This is it, all on view in front of you. The reason why I do that is so you can trust and believe what you're seeing, and we learn together, we grow together, we experience everything together, and we're trying to grow the best, most honest, real YouTube channel on YouTube. I'm not just on YouTube, by the way. Right now I'm streaming to 20 different platforms. I'm on TikTok at the moment. I'm also on LinkedIn, Facebook, Twitch, multiple websites, multiple Facebook pages and groups. We have a huge reach across all our platforms, and here we are again today. All right, let's get straight into our trading position. And who was with us this morning? If you come into the chat, I will put you on the screen. Eric B. Good morning to Eric B. How are you? Lovely to have you here. Welcome, welcome, welcome. All right, let's bring in our ticker. This was set by our members. If you're a member of the channel, you get 20 times back what you put in. You can have your own poll. You can have you can pose questions. You can ask me to review stocks. You can ask me to buy shares in stocks. You can ask me to make a video on a stock. I will reply to all your questions on YouTube. I will follow you back on social media. You can ask for me to put in your favorite stocks and assets into our ticker, which runs here at the bottom of the screen. You can have a birthday celebration. You can go on the homepage of my YouTube channel. You can sponsor the channel and take one of our ad breaks. You can also get access to our full Discord, talk to all our members 24/7, see all my tips before I make them, and of course we can also celebrate your birthday and do 20-minute fundraiser concerts for you as well. All of that comes from a membership of just a couple of dollars a month. That's why we have the most highest engaged YouTube channel on YouTube. In fact, 95% of all our live viewers are actual members. So there you go. And there's a reason for that, is because I wouldn't make any money at all and wouldn't even be able to survive here if it wasn't for my members. Not only do my members fund the live shows, because the live shows don't make money, it's the videos that make money. The live shows are really for building a community. And that's why I have everybody, 95% has become a member. All right, okay, looking at our stocks this morning, let me just give you the link if you wish to become a member of our channel and get all the perks and benefits. And I go to work for you when you do become a member. It's why I'm here up to 10 hours a day. Here is my Discord channel. That's free, but we'll upgrade you during a show. We also do cash giveaways every single day and a special on Friday. And we have our cash referrals as well. That's right. If you sign up for my Cash App, you get money back on the show. If you do Venmo, you get money back on the show. Here's my Venmo we're running at the moment. You get $10 if you set this up. Completely free. There it is. A few terms and conditions, of course. There's my Venmo. If you want to do that on the show, you'll get $10. We'll both get $10. Anyway, let's see who's in the show this morning. Jason Fallon. Good morning. Good day, fellow astronauts. Bootsy. I want to put a huge thank you out to Bootsy on the screen. Thank you ever so much, Bootsy. Your tip last night of the flights. This again is the power of the family. giving me that tip last night about the flight radar. Thank you so much indeed. It led, of course, to me being able to put on a video, which I did. If you look down here, the latest videos, I actually did a couple. First of all, we did a live stream with the live tracker, and this is all down to you. This is the thing, I can't know every single thing about everything, but I surround myself with great people, and those great people come in, give me information, advice, support, knowledge, research. It's impossible for one person. I'm on my own in the studio. I have no team. It's just me. Meet Kevin, for example, has half a dozen people working, editing. I do all of it, and I have more content than any other YouTuber. Sometimes 8 videos a day, sometimes 8 or 9 or 10 shorts a day, and 10 hours of live. How the hell do I do everything else other than eat and sleep and everything else? But I do, thanks to you. So Bootsy, thank you for that. There was the live video. It's had 231 views already, and we gained a lot of subscribers, so thank you. Then I also was able to put out a video, and that video, the taxi test, has had 359 views. For me, I'm a small channel. We've just gone through 6,500 subscribers, but growing every day. That was down to you as well. Incredible. 359 views already. It's one of my top videos, the growth. So that was awesome. Such great content. And when this one went out, it was edited, of course. So I added the overlays of Virgin Galactic, the scenes of the Mojave Desert, all that kind of stuff, in addition to what you provided me. So thank you so much. Can't thank you enough. That's what the family is all about. All right, going over into the breakfast bar. Who has paid their ticket price? This morning in the Discord lounge, I shared with you some behind the scenes stuff. Let me change that there. That's the wrong slide. Let me just change that to this one here. It should be on Treachery. There it is. It is now. Right. They think it's all over. It is now. All right. Okay. So our breakfast bar every morning in the breakfast lounge, I always start by making the bed. Start with a clean teeth and a cup of tea. And I showed you some images of the studio, what it looks like before you turn up. There it is. That's when I first walk in the morning. And then after that, we go into this one here. That's the left of me. That's just behind me. That's what you see. All right. And then to the center of me. That's what you see. And then once I turn the lights on, it looks a bit like that from the back. All right. The lights are still off. That's just a couple of the lights that are on. There you go. So the idea is every morning we come into the breakfast bar before we start trading, and we have some messages, what we're doing for the day, what's going on. Flutter Edit says, wow, that studio looks like in the light, looks crazy good, he said. Looks great. Mike says, breakfast at Martyn's today. On menu, 2 eggs and toast, 1 share of Tesla with a side of bacon or ham, 2 shares of SPC, a cup of coffee with Leah. Well, it is going to cost an extra $1 for Apple, for shares of Apple. It will cost you money if you say the magic word at Spartacus, or Spartacus brother will cost you double money. Just a tea, yum, yum, yummy. There we go. Awesome stuff. We're away. So go into the breakfast lounge. The reason why we do that is a bit of fun, but also we're trying to get the engagement rate up as well. Okay? We're trying to get the engagement rate up as well. Okay, let's go back to, and then we'll become a public channel. That's the idea. Good morning, astronauts. Let's read all the comments. Morning, guys and gals, says German Gaming. You're welcome. I watched the videos you did. Thank you, Bootsy. Leave a comment below the video. Very, very important, that. Hi, Bootsy, Tio, Ed, Jason, team, Eric, and German. Good day, Stephen. ITO roll. Will do it in a moment, says German Gaming. There you good. I have sent a new photo to Discord showing the alteration to the center wing of White Knight 2. Looks stronger, but less aerodynamic and increased weight. Bootsy, links for YouTube. Links for YouTube. Aha. What do we have here? Okay. Sent a photo and showing the alterations to White Knight 2. All right, I want that information. Thank you, Bootsy. Put that here. Got that. Morning all. The lights make a huge effect. T.O. roll. They do. They do indeed. All right, we'll cover that. And that'll be another video. The lights make a huge effect. Thank you very much, T.O. roll. Awesome stuff. Hi from Australia. Okay. The markets are pretty flat right now. S&P is going down. Virgin Galactic is at 1.52. Virgin Orbit. I got criticised by someone last night who said, "What are you talking about? You're just a know-it-all. You've only got 200 shares." I just want to make the point, guys. I don't know it all, number one. Two, this is my show. I just do my broadcast. You don't have to watch if you don't want to. Or follow me on Stockwits or Twitter. That's entirely up to you. If you watch my stuff, you watch my stuff. But also, the most important part, it's very disrespectful to everyone, every human being on earth who invests. Just because I only have 200 shares does not make my points, my thoughts, my decision-making invalid. It means I have 200 shares. Nothing less, nothing more. Warren Buffett has none. Richard Branson at one point would have had millions of shares and then sold millions of shares. Is he now an idiot? It's the most ridiculous statement in the world. And I replied back respectfully and politely that that comment shows your lack of understanding of the stock market. The fact that I only own 200 shares does not mean anything other than that's the position it sits within my portfolio. Simple as that. First of all, I'm not a gazillionaire, so I can't buy 10 times the amount of shares across the board, because even if I had a gazillion dollars, I wouldn't buy a gazillion dollars of Virgin Galactic other than my song that's coming out, and then I said I would with the money I make from the song. That's different. But I wouldn't just buy gazillion dollars. I would have to have a balanced portfolio no matter how bullish I am, because I want stability. And at the end of the day, I'm not joining a fan club. I just want to grow my portfolio to $200,000. How I get there doesn't matter. If Tesla today took me to $200,000 and I sold it all, I'm done. I don't have to own anything. It doesn't mean I'm not bullish or optimistic on a stock. I mean, some people think you join a fan club every day just to promote stocks, and that's it. I mean, it's the most ridiculous way to invest, and it's not what I do at all. Morning or Andrew Grady, yes, much smoother. Everything seems to be fine. Have we got anybody that knows about computers in the channel, watching the show right now? Because I'm going to put a question to you. About my computer performance, and I want to see if everybody. I might ask it anyway. Anybody here is sort of really familiar with tech? I will ask it in a second. I'll just give a few moments, and I'll ask it. Once everybody gets in. SoFi, IonQ, Canoe, Ford, Rio Tinto, of course. We've got Enphase Energy earnings today. I'm not covering, unfortunately. Not covering Enphase earnings tonight. However, they are up every single time. Will they beat again? So at the moment, the stock dropped off. It's rising again, but it dropped off. There you go. Dropped off to a low of 202. My average is 267. So I would have liked to have bought it from there. It's been rising ever since. It's now up to 225. Well, okay. The question is, in fact, let's just do a quick commercial break, and then I'll tell you all about it. Right. So let's go to a quick commercial break. Bring everybody up to date. Here we go. All right, so here we go. If you see an ad, skip the ad, come straight back. Let's bring everybody up to date. I'll see you back in 10 seconds from now. Okay, if you're a YouTube member and a sponsor level, you can sponsor this space. You can be in this space. We have 2 sponsors right now. Ali Tizro, we'll talk about him soon, and Melinda Source. They are a passive, inactive sponsor at the moment, but they are supporting my channel nevertheless. And can't thank them enough for that, actually. Enphase Energy, it's their earnings report tonight. So the question I want to ask you is this. Let me go over here and get everyone to like the video first of all. So let's put a minute on the clock. We've got 21 watching, 14 likes. Let's get to 20 likes. If we get to 100 likes during the show, we will do a cash prize giveaway. You ready? Smash the like button. Here we go. Okay, 15. We're moving. There's 15, 16, 17. You see it going up now? There we go. We've got 21 watching. Most we're going to get is 20, I'd imagine. It's a quiet start to the day. 18, 19, one more. Can we get one more? Get 20. And if we get 100 likes during the show, we'll give a cash prize away. Very good indeed. Thank you very much. 21. We went straight past it. Okay, excellent stuff. Thank you very much indeed. Let's clear the timer. 23. Well, that was very good. Maybe we got more watching than I thought. 23 watching, 23 likes. Well, there you go. 100% engagement. Can't get better than that. Awesome stuff. All right, let's go back to the trading screen again. Here we go. So Enphase is the earnings tonight. We're just going red. Just going red. Very, very slight. Oh, we're hovering. We're hovering. You can see if I bring you into my app here. We'll look at the heat map, and I'm going to ask this question as well. Okay. Thank you, Stephen. I want to put another thank you out to Stephen Lewandowski, actually. Stephen Lewandowski is incredibly supportive to our Facebook social media as well. Where's the heat map? Have I just passed it? There it is. That's what's looking good today. Microsoft up 1.21. 1.29, sorry. It's quite a muted day, though, other than a couple of things. This is the S&P 500. SY6 is up 11%. Looking for the greedy. What you're looking for is the bright red stuff, which you want to buy, a ZBRA, and you want to possibly trim off the bright green, ROP. If you own that, you're up to 26% today. Very nice indeed. Okay, there's the heat map. So anyway, the question I was going to ask to you is, my computer seems to be working fine today. I reboot it every day, so it's got nothing to do with did you reboot it, restart it. I restart absolutely everything, turn everything off and reboot everything every single day. Every single day to give everything the best quality, best chance, cleanest system there is, right? I can't do better than that, okay? Yesterday, underneath my laptop, because this all runs on one really powerful Mac laptop, right? It sits on one of those little fans, you know, the little fan tables, which, you know, just a little few fans underneath. Doesn't do a great deal, but it might help a bit. But also I have a fan behind the computer, behind the laptop, which blows air across the back of the computer. So thereby trying to keep my computer cool. All right, and we all know that a cool computer is a more efficient computer. And yesterday, for the first time, my fans weren't turned on. Now, before you jump in and go, oh, there's your answer then. There's your answer. You know the answer. The answer is you didn't have your fans turned on. Simple answer. The temperature, which if you look on, I've got it up here. If you look on, I use, what's it called? Clean My Mac. Clean My Mac was saying 165, between 150, 165 Fahrenheit, which it always shows. It wasn't up, it wasn't down, whatever. But the point was, the computer was going very slow, right? So what I'm saying are the fans obviously making a difference, but the software which tells you the temperature isn't really relevant or accurate. Maybe it's measuring some other part that isn't actually as important to the performance. So what I'm saying is the temperature was the same. When I turn the fans on, it brings it down by 1 or 2 degrees Fahrenheit. That's all. It hardly makes a difference on the measured number it gives me on the screen. So the software doesn't reflect perhaps a reality. So what I'm saying is those couple of little fans might make a difference even though it's not measured. I don't know. It's the first time my computer was stuttering that much, and today it's fine. So it's just a laptop. I cleaned the laptop out it would be now about a year ago. The studio has a filter to keep the air as clean as possible. 2 filters, and I don't smoke in here. There's no pets. There's no dander. So it's a clean environment as any environment can be, with a human being sitting here, breathing all over it. But that's really it. So I don't know. I'd like your thoughts. I'm going to read the comments now and see what you think about that. But anyway, let's have a look. See what everyone said. Jerry Mooney says space passes 50 and 200 moving average. Couple with that with WK flight this week, and we might be looking at a great bump up. Thank you very much indeed, Jerry Mooney. I appreciate that. German game. Let me also copy that as well. Some good information. We'll use that as well later on. Okay, cookies. Cookies. Well, I clean that out from time to time. Yep. You need a desktop. This is a Mac. This was a Mac, and I prefer Macs. There wasn't a Mac version. There wasn't. The MacBook is not as powerful. The Mac isn't as powerful as this MacBook Pro. Nowhere near. And that's obviously a screen. I don't want a screen because I've got multiple screens. I want a laptop. What is interesting now is the new the Mac Studio. That's interesting. But there's your answer. What did George say? You need a desktop. There's your answer. Well, yeah, but that's not the answer because it's been working fine until yesterday. If you overcook the processor, the damage can be permanent. But we're back to normal again now, and the processor can run up to this temperature. The temperature it's running up to now is fine. When was it cleaned internally? About a year ago, so maybe I should look at that again. As Gigi said, you need a super duper streaming desktop PC. Well, we're a Mac, so that's why we are, in the situation we're in. No fans won't slow a laptop down like yesterday. There we go. You'll have a processor fan on board and has safety measured if it gets too hot. Andrew Grady says that. You're not running powerful games or anything that should push it beyond its max. True. That's right. I recommend a PC tower next time you upgrade. Yeah, but I don't want a PC though. I want to stick with a Mac. I'm surprised you run all this on a laptop. Yeah, it's incredible, isn't it? Yeah. It is incredible. I think you're running a lot of software and streaming. You need more power or multiple systems. There isn't, as I say, there wasn't really an alternative. There wasn't really an alternative. The MacBook Pro, when I looked at the Mac Pro, this MacBook Pro, was more powerful than the entry level Pro, which was like $30,000. Was it $13,000 or something insane like that? So if I'm keeping in the Mac world, this was still the best option at the time. It was the most high spec'd out MacBook Pro I could find, but it does, I could look at the this new Mac Studio now. but it's still a lot of money. I couldn't afford it right now. I'd have to sell a lot of my shares to do that. A computer optimizer to prevent the damage. This is why your computer slows down, says Andrew Grimm. Clean your garden drive and dump all the rubbish. What's that got to do with it? What's that got to do with it? Mac not best for streaming. I have a Mac and a PC. Find the specs. Garden, LOL. Apple icon and about this Mac. Oh, you want to know, do you? Okay. Okay, about this Mac. I will give it to you right now. Okay, here we go. I can share it on the screen so you can see it. There you go. Can you see? That's what I've got. Okay, so basically what I'm running, I have Google Chrome is what I'm using to open all my windows. And I've got about maybe 60 windows open. These windows are all open. I've got the screen on the laptop itself, and then that goes into two screens up here. One of those doubles. That's what's connected. That's the screens that are connected to the computer. The other screens, the other sort of 10 screens around the studio, aren't connected to the computer. I then come out and go into a hub, and the hub is how I bring in the 4K cam links, just two 4K cam links. So I switch between two camera sources. One is this camera. The other cam link will bring in the other three cameras, and I have a switcher which decides which camera I send when I'm at the piano. All the lighting and all the side screen and all the other stuff, the sound systems, that's external to my computer. So anyway, did that help? Thank you very much for asking. Yes, but it's gone today. Maybe a gremlin, it's gone, but they always pop back out from time to time. Overheating can cause impaired performance, lower processing. Regular PC will help. $1,500. Sometimes the internet is slow. Yeah, it wasn't the internet though. It wasn't the internet, because what was interesting was I was able to change my scenes on my... This is an important point for those of you who want to help out. I could change my scenes by using the scene selector on the computer. If I'm Ecamm, I'm running Ecamm Live, Restream, so on. If I go into Ecamm Live and I change my scenes in Ecamm, they were changing. They just wasn't changing very efficiently through a peripheral device, which was my Stream Deck, which goes into my hub. So it seemed to me what was slowing things down was the USB integration from the peripherals, like the Stream Deck was going very slow. The Stream Deck was going slow, changing the scenes directly on the actual computer itself, on the software itself. Clicking on the screen worked fine. It was going through the peripheral, the Stream Deck. Again, it's the latest software. Nothing had changed since yesterday. The latest firmware as well. So all of that was good. So anyway, ditch Apple, buy a PC. They are used to market. They are just marketing to you. PC always goes better. Firefox better than Google Chrome on PC. Says Andrew Grady. What is up, good people? Mr. Clockwork, how are you? You need an M1 MacBook. Yeah, the M1 was the year after. Praying for. Oh yes, indeed, praying for the people of Turkey and Syria. Much bigger issues today. Totally agree. Good morning, Martin and everyone. Octavio, there's plenty of power to run all your stuff, to be fair. 54 gigabyte RAM, 19 processor is i9 processor is plenty. Yes, 64, yes. 30 minutes to bell. Yeah, maybe get a USB hub. Maybe get a USB hub and try all the ports. I've got the most expensive hub I could find, which was what's the name of it now? The Cal Digit. The Cal Digit hub is the most expensive hub, the best hub you could buy. That's what I've got, the best cables. What did Logan say? Yes. Let's come back to that. Andrew, that's mad. So what did you, what the tech guys in the show? What did you think of my my spec then for this laptop? All good? I mean, it's running fine again now, right? Running fine again now. So no one answered the question, because what I'm saying is the only thing different was my fans wasn't turned on. And at the end of the day, the temperature was reading the same, but maybe the software that tells you the temperature is inaccurate. Think about that. More expensive, it isn't always best. Get a Logitech one and buy an Apple stock. And buy Apple stock, yeah. I know, but you know, you assume if you buy the most expensive, specs are fine, plenty of power, yeah. I thought so. Anyway, half an hour to go, just under half an hour to go. Thank you everyone for contributing today. Indeed, let's just spend a moment thinking about our fellow human beings today in Turkey and Syria. Absolutely right. Very, very important. Let's go to a very quick break. I'll be back in 10 seconds from now. I hope Drillian comes in today because I have an answer for Drillian. Is Drillian in the chat? Let me just go into here, see if Drillian's watching. No, I don't see Drillian watching in the chat. No, if Drillian comes in, let me know. I have a question for him. Okay, did everyone go into the breakfast bar this morning? Pay your ticket for the show? I hope you did. See you back in 10 seconds from now. If you are a YouTube sponsor, you can sponsor this space, be in this gap, and needs an oil change, says Charles Benting. Powell speaking today is actually an interview at the Economic Club of Washington. Will move the market, I think. 22, thank you very much indeed. He's actually speaking at 11:40. Balance of trade. 22. What do you make of this? I'd like your thoughts on this. This is something I don't have much knowledge on, I've got to be honest. And it says, United States balance of trade. The trade deficit in the US widened to $67.4 billion in December from a downwardly revised $61 billion. The trade deficit, that means, as I understand it, we're bringing more in than we're sending out. It's never good. You want to be a country that sells more than buys more. You want to produce your stuff yourself, as I understand it. Figures compare with forecasts of 68.5 billion gap with exports falling. There you go, I was right. Okay, as I understand it, that was right. Exports falling 0.9 to 250 million, led by non-monetary gold, crude oil, foods, feed, and beverages, while imports rose 1.3. That's not good for an economy. You want to be selling and producing stuff than buying it from somebody else. Led by non-monetary gold. I just read that. Okay, that's what I understood it to be. So I answered my own question there. I wasn't sure what it was. Now I do. Okay, let's come back to you a minute. And yes, we were going to just for a moment anyway. We're going to go over to here. This is important, right? Our friends in Turkey.
This is a disaster so vast in scale and temperatures so cold that moments like this will become less frequent as time passes. Concern is high for Syria, where rescuers must do their best in towns scarred by a decade of war, already crumbling and poorly resourced. Officials estimate more than 1,500 have died so far. In Turkey, the number of casualties is rising too. The Turkish Vice President confirming nearly 3,500 citizens had died and more than 20,000 are injured. 8,000 had been rescued from rubble, he said, and nearly 6,000 buildings had collapsed. The extent of destruction caused by Monday's earthquakes is still unclear. The World Health Organization estimates 23 million people, including 1.4 million children, are likely affected, and the death toll could reach 20,000.
We all stand with you in this moment of unspeakable grief. This is a moment when we must come together in solidarity as one humanity.
Many buildings clearly survived the two enormous earthquakes and hundreds of aftershocks, but thousands of older or poorly constructed buildings collapsed, others pulverised. Some casualties have been taken on military planes for treatment in Istanbul. As they come in, hundreds of volunteers wait to go out. Offers of help are coming from around the world. Here, Pakistan's military fill a transport plane with the relief supplies bound for Turkey. The challenge now is identifying where that help is needed most and seeing that it gets there as temperatures fall below freezing at night and time quickly runs out. Tom Clark, Sky News.
There we go. Very, very disturbing scenes, of course, there from
Bear in mind, this is
from Syria.
a grieving man who we believe his family or certainly a family member was trapped beneath this wreckage. Let me show you those images. I mean, devastated beyond what any human should have to suffer. He was overwhelmed for a moment. A friend was nearby. He'd been waiting in the cold for hours for news of their loved ones. What tends to happen, or certainly what was happening here earlier in the day, was that they were digging and they were pulling out all of this.
Can you imagine if that was you this morning? You woke up, or didn't wake up, and all your... Thank you, Leah, for my coffee. And all the buildings and all the houses around you were flattened and no one survived. I mean, it's terrifying. Imagine what they went through the moments before they died. You know, how did they die? Being crushed. Was it instant? Did they know about it? Many are trapped and dying slowly through terrible, terrible injuries. Can you imagine if that happened to you? How irrelevant all of this is, what we do here. But this is, you know, it's so important that we are here together. We're bringing the world together. We've got friends here from Turkey in our show. We have a couple of people here from Turkey. Are they in today? Have we got any of our friends here today from Turkey? Anyway, let's put the messages on the screen. Jerry Mooney, thoughts and prayers for the earthquake victims. I mean, that could be you. You know, we've got the San Andreas Fault, which runs across California. Very similar to what's underneath Turkey. Don't take it for granted. That one day could happen in America. And we could wake up tomorrow and the whole of America is in the same situation. Well, at least the Western Seaboard. Stephen Lewandowski, thank you very much indeed for that. Thanks, Leah, says Mike, for the coffee. Yep, a horrible thing to happen in Turkey. German Gaming sends thoughts, praying for many. What's worse for me is the aftershock. Would be a lot of people already trapped. And then that happens. Yeah, I agree, because if you're in the aftershock and you've survived the first thing, you're not dead. You may be crushed. Maybe you've got legs and arms that are crushed, completely smashed, and you're lying under the ground in pain, in fear, knowing, how do I get out of this? And then there's an aftershock which now scares you, because you're not dead. You're in pain and you're fearing dying, and now everything starts shaking again violently. That would be terrifying. You'd rather be dead, I would imagine, than live through that. I mean, that's awful. 22 says, at least in California, there's decent building standards and good emergency services, says 22. It's winter there as well. Yeah, again, I said to Leah the other day, you know when you watch a movie, you sit and watch a movie, and we watched one recently where it was in the Arctic and it's freezing cold, and you're sat there with a fire on, with a cup of tea, cozied up on the sofa, you know, watching the telly, and you're seeing someone, you know, in the Arctic having a hard time. And it's tough, right? And you look at it and go, oh my God. But it always doesn't feel cold because you're warm and toasty sitting there in front of the fire. When you watch it on the news and they go, it's cold, you think, well, yeah, but everyone's got coats and hats on, everyone's active, running around. But imagine you're underneath cold concrete, crushed, and it's freezing. Imagine how I mean, I know last week how uncomfortable it was here when it was cold. It was bloody uncomfortable. Imagine now you're crushed under concrete, full of dust, and it's cold. I mean, you can't even imagine it. It's just the worst possible situation you can imagine. Anyway, Mr. Clockwork says, praying for the people of Turkey and Syria. Thank you very much indeed, Mr. Clockwork. They're digging people out with bare hands. Yeah. And, you know, that's not easy. Thank you, Martin, for doing. Octavio. Here he is. Octavio. Octavio is from Turkey, from Istanbul. Octavio, are you able to call in? Are you able to call in through Discord? You are a YouTube member. You have access to our Discord. Let me open it up. The Discord lounge is open. We'd love to hear from you. I would love to hear from you. Are you able to call into the show? You are a YouTube member. You have access to Discord. You can see the broadcast lounge. Let me give you Discord. What is it like for you? Where are you? Hi all. There you go. There's the Discord link. This is Oze. I think Oze is also. Oze is from Turkey. We've got a couple here today from Turkey. Look, here's the broadcast lounge. Right at the bottom on the left-hand side. Both of you are members. You can call in here. Come into the broadcast lounge, look. If you appear there, you can call in. You don't have to be on camera if you don't want to be, but we'd love to hear from you. Yeah, incredible. We've got friends today here from Turkey. No, Martin, I am not from Turkey. I apologise, Octavio. Is it Oze? Oze, isn't it? Sorry, Octavio. Is it Oze? Is from Turkey? I believe so. Okay, 15 minutes before the bell goes. We're getting very close now to the markets. The markets are selling off this morning. We're looking to see Tesla go down. And it is going down a bit, but it's still up strong. Virgin Galactic, we can see is still up. Octavio is from Mexico, is that right? Okay. Okay, so we're on a quick commercial break. I'll see you back in just 10 seconds from now. If you're a YouTube sponsor, you can sponsor this space here. And let's talk about Ali Tizro right now. Ali Tizro's got a challenge, a $1,000 to $10,000 challenge. If you want Ali's Discord server, it's a premium server. Here it is. We'll be showing you once again when Ali calls in where we are up to. Do I need to just click on where? Okay. Oze is going to call in. Hang on, let me come back to that. There we go, Oze. We have Oze. Guys, we have Oze in the chat. All right, let me unmute the channel. Oze, you are live on Martyn Lucas Investor. Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you, Martin. Can you hear me?
I can hear you perfectly. Oze, let me just... You're from Turkey, right?
Yes, that's right. I'm from Istanbul.
Istanbul?
Yes, that's correct.
Okay, so how close are you to what's going on today in Turkey?
I'm actually about 35 kilometers away. It's very nearby the Syrian border. I'm from like on the other side of Istanbul, so it's more like in east to me.
Okay. Well, the first question I want to ask: are you obviously you're fine? Your family and friends, everyone that you know, are they all safe and well?
That's correct. They're all safe, but we do. I do have few people I know from my military service that I used to work with them. so they have some relatives who have been lost. That's what I've been just see the news yesterday. But he wasn't really too close to me, just somebody I know. But other than that, most of the people I know and all my families and friends they are fine. But there's nearly 2,000 people who died because of the building in the earthquake.
Well, we are obviously very happy to hear that you, your family and friends are well. That's great to hear. We're really pleased.
Just got an upgrade, so it's 5,000 people, not 2. I'm sorry, it's not that.
5,000, yes. I actually heard from the World Health Organization that they're anticipating 20,000 deaths soon could be reported.
Yeah, it could be.
We're so sorry that this has happened to your country. We hope that everyone around the world is doing their part. I know in Britain we're sending people. I hope it's enough. It must be an awful time for you now. I can only imagine if it was in my country near me. But you know, it's not about countries at times like this, is it? It's about human beings on planet Earth. It's about all of us together.
That's correct. Yeah. It's not about what's happening to who is happening to. It's just sad to see people dying there.
I am sometimes struggling to hear every word you say. The line isn't that clear, but I am catching most of what you're saying. One thing that's upsetting to hear is on the border of Turkey, of course, Syria, you've got people fighting, people, shooting at each other while all this is going on. It kind of puts everything into context, doesn't it? Stop fighting. We've got a war in Ukraine going on with Russia, and at the same time, Mother Nature is being even more destructive. It makes you think, why don't we just put the guns down, stop fighting? We've got bigger things to worry about, right?
Yeah, that's true. And that's why I have been there, like, more than before I was running. I'm probably used to that traveling is in that door and so everything. I think that's what people have to do. We know everything.
Jose, could you disconnect and reconnect? Your audio is virtually unaudible. Okay, let's see if he connects and reconnects, because we were struggling. Let me just turn the audio up a bit. We've lost his signal. He may have even lost his signal there. Let's see if he comes back in again. Jose, if you can hear me, please call back. We've got a friend here calling in right now from Turkey in Istanbul. He's quite a way away from the center of it all. His family are fine, but there we go. I think we got him back. Jose, can you?
Hey, can you?
Oh, that's much better. Much better.
Can you hear me now?
Yes, much better. Thank you.
Yeah. So I just changed it to the normal cable one. The old school headphones are the best.
Absolutely. I can hear you much better now. There we go.
Right.
Thank you.
Yeah, I was saying, that I'm 38 years old, but that fight on the border before I was born, and there is a group of that money greedy people. They just getting money out of it, and it's just there, it's just all about power greedy and all those disgustingly ugly situation. And top on it, now they have to deal with all those Mother Nature's disaster. But we were just gonna hope the best, and then by the way, all of you, just want to get a chance to say once maybe, but thank you so much for all your support. As soon as I mentioned I'm from Turkey, whole entire family in that channel has been just hi Jose, how are you? All of these things, very, very, very good to you're just bringing people all together and then giving this portal to us. Just wanted to say I appreciate it for all of you just mentioning, and I know you all deeply praying, and then I'm sure you do from deep of your heart as you can, but even just saying it one word, how are you or how's it going, is just more than enough. So thanks. thanks on behalf of everybody who is not here now with us.
Sorry, I was just muted there for a moment. You've made me feel very, very emotional there, Jose. This is why we do this channel. This is what this channel is about.
100%.
And I can't thank you enough for those words. That's lifted me up today. That's given me such a warm boost above everything else that we do here. It's a community helping support people. I can't tell you how wonderful I feel what you just said there, and I know that the members feel the same. We're all here to support you.
Certainly interrupt you, but you should be always feel up, Martin. You're doing a great job, and the people around you, you surround yourself with the people like yourself, which is it's a lot. It's a lot, man. Like even like whoever in this moment listening this, like I'm sure like we all have our own things to deal with. But between these things, you're just giving at least a couple of minutes to feeling what we are feeling in here. It's a grateful, like I'm very thankful for that, and I'm wishing you all the best.
Jose, thank you for your words. I know you've made everyone feel loved and appreciated, and that's what life's all about. It's the greatest feeling, the greatest gift. I can see all the chat now. Everyone's lifted up. Everyone's feeling good. And then let's send that love out. Let's send good wishes out. Let's hope nobody else dies. Of course, that's probably unlikely, but let's just hope that Turkey get it together. Everyone comes around the world, helps everybody, and we stop fighting each other. We stop shooting each other. We've got bigger issues. We've got the planet. I've always said this, the planet doesn't need us. We need it. And there are bigger issues fighting each other in Ukraine, Russia, Syria, all over the world, shooting each other. We've got Mother Nature to deal with. Let's take care of each other, support each other, put the guns down, and just be there for each other. Jose, thank you for calling in. I'm so glad you're safe. Your words have just touched me this morning. I'm nearly in tears, honestly, because I know you're right there, not that far away from where it's all going on. So, Jose, thank you again. Love to all your family, and thanks for your support every day.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you. I love you, and you take care of yourself. You have a good day. And
thank you. Thank you very much. There's Jose on the show today. Can you believe that? Can you believe the words we just heard from Jose from Istanbul in Turkey? I've actually been to Istanbul, Turkey. It's a wonderful country, steeped with tradition and history. And those buildings, a lot of those buildings are very, very old. And, you can't just, you can't just replace old buildings like that. And not everyone lives in a... Not everyone lives in a new, modern, a much stronger structure. A lot of people live in the older buildings, and that's what makes Turkey so beautiful. Anyway, what a wonderful moment that was on the show. I was very close to tears then. You saw me cry once before when I got margin called. I was very close to it then. Wow. We just heard from someone in Turkey. Incredible. Right, moving on, because that's what we do, right? Move on. It's 4 minutes to go before the bell goes. And thank you, Jose, for calling in. Let's share some of these comments. Eric B has just become a member of our channel. Eric B, if you hold on for like 10 minutes, once we get into the opening bell, I will give you all your perks and benefits. Here is the Discord link. I'm sorry, folks. It's just hit home a little bit. The importance of this channel, what this channel is about. We're not just some silly YouTube channel talking about silly stocks and shares. Human beings are feeling a part of a family and feel that this is a home to come together. That's something. I might only make about $10 a day on YouTube and barely keep the lights on, but I get paid millions of dollars in love. I'm quite emotional about all that. Eric B, I will give you all your benefits in a few moments. So while we're waiting to give you your benefits, Eric B, you might want to go into Discord. There's the Discord link, and go into the Welcome All, and I will upgrade you. It takes 10 minutes to get through. So go to Welcome All, and I will upgrade you once you've come through, okay? Because you're a YouTube member now. You get many perks and benefits. And I will give you all your perks and benefits very, very soon. All right? So, anyway. Come into Discord and we'll upgrade you. The stock market is crashing right now. We've got 2 minutes to go. I will give you all your benefits when we get it through the bell. Wonderful man, thanks for calling in. Unfortunately, the people who start wars don't care about people and never will. Bizarre that in a modern age, the masses are still controlled by the few. That's a very strong comment. You're right there, Jose. Tira, I'm glad you found yourself sarcasm in this conversation. Tio Roll, what was that? I didn't understand what Tio Roll was saying. That's why I didn't read it out. Is that sarcasm? Tio Roll, what did you do? I don't know what that may be a joke Tio Roll was doing. I don't know what it even means. German Gaming, welcome. Well, I'm not making money, but enjoy the hell out of this group, says German Gaming. Tio Roll says, Jose, great to hear you calling in. It may have been a misunderstanding. Welcome in, Jose, thoughts and prayers. He wanted a song. Oh, he wanted to sing a song from one of our singers. Okay. He's probably being supportive to Jose. He probably wants me to sing. I mean, I do sing, as you know. I'm a singer. He probably wanted me to do something nice. He was probably trying to be nice. Remember, everyone's humor is different. Okay, here we go. It's time to ring the bell. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Where's the market going? It's dipped down. It's going down. Now, somebody made the point that the prices are from last night. Someone made the point that the prices are from the close. So we'll see that now. 196. Yes, they are. Let's see if these prices update. I'm looking at them now. So when will they update? Let's see if I refresh the screen. Let's see if they... let's have a look at Apple. Apparently, these are not up. There we go. 151.73. I want to see if they change. Coca-Cola, 60.17. Yeah, they're from last night. Let's see if they start changing. The markets are still going down. We're just checking these tickers. We've never used, this is a new service from yesterday. We want to make sure. Yeah, that's from yesterday. They're not moving at the moment. So let me restart the ticker. Maybe you have to restart the ticker when the bell goes. Ah. There we go. There you go. So you have to do it once the bell goes. There you go. They're moving now. There you go. So now we've learned that lesson. Bitcoin 22.9. Yes, that's now correct. So you have to wait until the bell goes and then reset them. So now I'll bring them in when the market's open then, okay? All right, we've just learned something there. Okay. Yes, just assume the best intentions. If you don't understand, most people here mean well. I agree with that, 22. Good morning, Market Profit. Welcome to you. You've missed so much over the last few days. We just had a phone call in from Jose from Turkey. Very powerful stuff. Very powerful stuff. I believe the ARK ETF will solve most problems on today's world because innovation solves problems. Good morning, everyone. Craig, ARK, I see why you choose your name. Holt, SQL, Jose, Bankston, Market Profit. Keep going on, my friend. I'll remind you every day, mate, says Andrew Grady. Tio Roll, thanks, love you all. We are cool, no hard feelings at all. Thank you, wonderful, wonderful, wonderful. Do chat, good morning to you. Market Profit, oh dear. Yes, we had a caller in from Turkey just some moments ago. It was a very emotional moment, actually. So I will probably put that video out later as a members only special message, I think. Anyway, let's go for our stocks. The S&P is going down. We're down 0.2, still up 5%. J&J down. Virgin Galactic is going down. Everything's going down. Not the time to sell now. Tesla, we want to buy Tesla. Lucid. Apple's going up. Right, I could trim off Apple and buy the dips. J&J would be a good investment. Coca-Cola is still too expensive. Yeah, J&J, 106. That's the lowest I've been. Down 3%, 3.22. They are. Tio Roll, as you can see, meant it to be uplifting. Tio Roll was trying to be supportive. Always assume everything is good. Everyone here is supportive. Right, we've got a new member today. I've got to give you your benefits in a minute. I'm waiting for you to come into Discord so I can upgrade you and give you all your perks and benefits. We had a new member today, so we're going to do that in a minute. J&J is a bit of a bargain right now. Down 3.2. So, let's have a look. We could take some profits off Apple now. Apple is soaring. It doesn't pay a good dividend. Let's take some profits. Look at it soaring again. We are probably at an all-time high. Very close. I'm looking at taking some profits from Apple to buy J&J. We're getting near an all-time high. Clockwork is saying there's a short squeeze going on. Right, I took some profits from Apple. $152. It's going down. Great company, pays no dividend, remember. But I'd made a decent profit there. So, let's go shopping. The overall portfolio is going down. The S&P is up 4.9. Virgin Galactic, 43. I dumped J&J yesterday. It will buy back cheaper. Virgin Orbit, 163. Still up 7%. We're getting a bit of a dump this morning. Rivian, Tesla, Lucid, Apple. I just sold at 152. Amazon. I've got $1.5 grand. McDonald's. There's plenty of things I'd like to buy. Coca-Cola. J&J. 161. That's tempting. Google. I'm up. Microsoft. Walmart. That's coming down. Tesco. There's a lot of things now. There's a lot of things presenting themselves. Enphase Energy. We've got the earnings tonight. You want to? I'm not going to be able to cover it though because I've got things to do this evening. But look at that. That's I'm waiting for our new member to come in. I want to upgrade his account. If you've just come on in, if you're watching right now, and if you smash the like button, subscribe, ring the bell, we are giving away a cash prize if we get 100 likes. There's 51 watching right now. Smash the like button. We're looking to find some bargains. Meta. We're not in Meta at the moment. It's very expensive now. Rio Tinto. No. Ford, no. Makes no money. Canoe, we looked at it yesterday. It went up like 14%. There we go. Ed Nevius's tips. He's up 128%. That was posted in our Discord channel this morning. Ed Nevius's tips. Did everyone take advantage of that? Welcome, everyone. No bears alive left. No bears alive left. J&J has some problems and bad press. Might drop more. Yeah, we're watching the talcum powder incident going on. The court case, SoFi. Very expensive now. Robinhood. Up 27%. Long way up. Tilray Brands. Bitcoin. Enphase. I mean, if they beat earnings tonight, we're in for a nice treat there. We're dumping. We're dumping before the earnings tonight. Let's have a look. Just got Enphase. We got an earnings tonight. I want to be back in this one. I just lowered my average. I was 15% down, now 10% down. The trend is still going down though. There you go. I wonder what they expected to do tonight. Are they going to miss on earnings? They've exceeded every earnings. Look at this. Every earnings they've exceeded. Is it dumping to buy back cheaper for another profit tonight? Could well do so. It is very expensive though. Very expensive. It's 107 times earnings, but their balance sheet is like a textbook balance sheet. My average is 249. It's now 222. I've dropped it a lot. We'll come back to Enphase. We won't spend any more money just yet. Next, Era Energy. Tesco. Walmart. I want to get back in Walmart, but it's still a long way to go. Microsoft. Was I right? Coca-Cola. McDonald's getting cheaper. Let's look at Apple. Was I right to sell it? Nope. It's gone up even more. Trimming back. I can't sell anymore now. I want to remain in Apple. Going to miss out a lot. Question is who will buy Apple in the recession? I'm not going to sell any more. That's trimmed down enough. Any more, that would be you always want to own Apple, right? In my book anyway. Lucid. Tesla. I want to buy Tesla. I might have a chip at J&J. Down 40%. This stock is such a scam. Indeed it is. Mohammed Kahin, good morning to you. We had, from your part of the world, Syria and Turkey today. Jose called into the show. Very powerful moment hearing from him from Turkey. Right. Let's see if we can get now. We're going to buy more Virgin Galactic as well. It's going back up again. It gave you a bit of a discount today. I think we're starting to get a rebalance for the morning. This might be 162 by, let me just have a little nibble at J&J. I think we're going over the week, over the month. It's not going to go much lower, guys. It's bouncing off that point. Right, okay, I'm going to 160 limit order by 162. I've got 10, so if I add 2 at 162, review the order. The dividend itself is worth it. 162. There we go. Purchased. There we go. My average now is 166. 2.84 down. Better. Be patient. That's why I'm not buying all of it. I've just bought a couple. So we'll leave that for a minute. We'll go back to end phase. Virgin Galactic. We're checking. Oh, let's check the flight radar for a moment as well. Let's check the flight radar and let's see if we've got any information from Mojave Desert with Virgin Galactic. Let's go over to that right now. Let's have a quick look. Let's go into flight radar. We've got the number of the flight, or the number of the name of the. No, there's nothing flying today. No, I just checked it. I wanted to see if there's any movement on the White Knight, but there isn't anything at the moment. All right. Okay. Let's check our heat map and see what's going up, what's going down. Let's have a little look. This is my overall portfolio. This is my overall position. Dropped from 42.2. There's a video, someone saying by technical chart analysis, DAX could still drop 8,000 points, meaning more than 45% decline. I did get some scalping on space yesterday. I'm not selling it. I've already trimmed it down. There's no point for me and no point trimming it anymore, even though there's profits there. This is the heat map. This is what's going up. Microsoft. Everything else looks pretty red. There you go. Our Bitcoin in our ledger, 848. That hasn't moved at the moment. Okay, what else can we look at? Nothing really for the minute. We'll come back to our position. Right. Over there on TikTok, good morning to you. Quick cup of coffee. I've got $1,000 in my cash, and there's nothing wrong with that. Nothing wrong with that. Apple kept on going. I bought some more J&J, though. I'm not trimming any more of Apple. I do not want to be out of that anymore. It's going up. J&J, I picked up some. Also want to pick up more Coca-Cola, if that can go down as well. Right, let's go over to our like screen now, and if we can get 100 likes on the video, we've got a cash giveaway. We do it every day if we get to 100 likes. Okay, so if you're if you're watching right now, subscribe, ring the bell, smash the like button. Let's put it on the screen. Are you ready? A 1 minute countdown. Let's see if we can get. We should have 50 likes. There's 56 watching now. We're doing very, very well today. Very, very well. That's what I meant to say. Apologise for that. All right, here we go. So here we go. Let's have a little look in. We have got watching right now 57. There you go. 57, look. 58. If we get 100 likes during the show, we will give away a cash prize. 33. Smash the like button. We want to get to at least 50. At least 50, if not 60 to be honest. 33, 34. 25 seconds from now. Jose, I just called my brother to go on YouTube and like your video. I want that 100. I tell you what, if we get 100 likes, I'm giving the cash prize away. I'm donating it to Turkey. All right, I'm donating the cash prize to Turkey. 35, 36, 37. 39. If we get 100 likes a day, I'm going 40. I'm going to give a cash prize away. I'm going to give the cash prize away to Turkey. Is that fair enough? There we go. 40 likes. We should easily we've got 70 watching now. Bloody hell. What's going on? We've got 70 people watching now. If we get to 100 likes, I'm going to give away our cash prize today to Turkey. There we go. We're up to 39. We'll donate it to one of the, the Red Cross or something like that. All right. We're at 38, 39. There are 67 watching. Fantastic. Brilliant stuff. All right. We'll come back to that in a minute. See if we can do that. To be honest with you, I might make the donation anyway. Makes no difference. Okay. Let's go back over to our trading screen and see what's going on. Welcome, everybody. We're watching Virgin Galactic this morning. It's going back down again. We've got some information on the wing. Which we'll share with you in a video coming up after this. So if you want to know about the new wing, straight after this, I'm making a video and you'll see about the new wing. So I will share the information after this live stream ends. Okay. Awesome stuff. Now then, we was mentioning our new member. Is our new member in? Has he got into Discord yet? We want to upgrade him on Discord and give him all his perks and benefits. If you're watching right now and you want to be in Discord and be able to take all the benefits, call into the show, be part of it, talk to our top traders and get all their tips before they make them in the morning. Their Discord, it's free. Here's the invitation to join if you want to be a member. We have the highest engagement rate on YouTube. 95% of our live viewers are members. It's higher than any other channel on YouTube because we are family. We go live up to 10 hours a day. That is why Discord is open if anybody wants to call in. And thank you very much indeed. All right. Let's go and see what's moving. So the S&P, I've still got $1,000. I'll keep it on hand if I need to. Can you look at WMB Williams? I'm shopping for another dividend stock. Yes, Andrew Grady. I will do that. Give me 1 second. I will look at it. The S&P is now returning. I'm not buying it down here. Virgin Galactic. I want to buy some more, but I'm not buying it here. I'd rather just hold my shares. Virgin Orbit. I'm up 6%. I'm not buying that. Rivian is up 17%. I'm not buying that. Tesla went down a little bit. I'm not buying that either. Lucid is still too expensive. Not buying that. Apple to continue to rise. I'm glad I only trimmed off the top. I've got nothing else to trim. I do not want less than 5% of my portfolio at Apple, so I'm holding that. Amazon. I've got plenty of Amazon. I'm not doing anything there. McDonald's, I want to buy more. It's not cheap enough yet. Coca-Cola, I want to buy more. Let me have a quick look. It's the first time it's been around the 59. It got as low as 59.30. So we're very close to its low in the last month. Look, 58. It's at the low position now. My average is 60. You definitely want to own some more. We did get it a year ago, 55, even as low as 54.39. Don't know if it's going to go that low though. But we are in its bottom channel. It might be worth nibbling a little bit, down 0.5%. I am just going to hold, I think, a little bit. I'll tell you what I might do in case it does go any lower. Let's set a limit in case I miss it. Let's set a limit for around about, what, 59.50? Should we do that? 59.50? 59.50? Yeah, okay. I'll do a limit order. And we'll go 59. Rivian is down 5% now. 59.50. Let's put a limit order there, and we'll just do it for one, and then we'll revisit it if it goes through. Review the order just for today. And if we suddenly get a little crash, I can pick a bit more up, right? J&J. Let's do the same for J&J. If we get 166, what did I just last buy it at? My all-time low. I just bought it at 161.93. Let's go 161. Let's go 106. Buy. Let's do a limit order. Limit order 161. 161. Just buy one. Just for the day. If it drops there when I'm not watching, okay, that'll be my all-time low. All right, we'll just drop that in there. Google, no, too expensive. Microsoft, too expensive. Walmart, the overall portfolio is still going down. It's the S&P mainly. Martin, do I have a free charity concert with my silver membership? Can we use this for a concert this week, and you can send the money to help Turkey? Are you a silver member? You are a silver member. Yes? Then we can do that. Yes, we can do that. Let me just check something for you. Hang on a minute. Let me have a quick look before I say 100% on a couple of things. First, let me have a look. 12th of Tuesday. 12th. Right. 12th of February. 12th of February. For Crag, we are doing a turkey. 12th of February. We will do a turkey fundraiser. That is now confirmed. There we go. 12th of February. Is Jose still here? Yep. 12th of February, we will do a fundraiser concert. There we go. There it is on the screen. You've seen me do it. I will set that up. Yep, sounds good, Martin. Thank you. Be part of that. That was provided by Crag. He's a silver member, and he gets that. Okay, now then, we need to look. We need to see what's going on. Meta, too expensive. Rio, still too expensive. Ford, I'm not buying it. Canoe, 107. It popped up yesterday. It's like, in the climate we're in now, it's a company that doesn't make any money. We're not going to touch it. IonQ, too expensive. SoFi, too expensive. Robinhood, still too expensive. Tilray, no, too expensive. Bitcoin, we're already done. Enphase Energy, still very, very, very expensive. It's 100 times earning, 107 times earnings, but it might beat on earnings tonight. 224 is my all-time low. 221 now. Bloody hell. Okay, so we will set a buy order. I like Enphase. It's a great company. The balance sheet is perfect. It's one of the best balance sheet you've ever seen. Buy Enphase. Limit order. If we can get it, we last bought it at 259, 224. Let's go for, bloody hell. Let's go silly. Let's go 210. Buy one share. Who knows? 210. Let's get ridiculous about it. 210. Review the order. Get another one. Okay? Just for the day. 210. See if it does it. Did you dump Apple? I trimmed it, yeah. I trimmed. Not all of it, but I trimmed. Amazon dropping. So carry on. Next Era Energy down 1.82. My lowest price for here was 73.56, 74.92. So let's go for an all-time low, 73. Let's go for $73. Let's buy one. Limit order $73. My all-time low. We'll set in for 1.69. Good for the day. $73 if it goes down that low. Take more profit on Apple. I don't know, Mr. Clockwork. I want to own the company. 73. Tesco's. No, too expensive. Walmart, too expensive and rising. Microsoft, too expensive. Google, still too expensive. J&J, I've got an order placed. Coca-Cola, I've got an order placed. So we've set the lows. McDonald's, how much do you think Apple will ever go? I have no idea. Honestly. Amazon is now going down. Apple is holding up. Lucid's going down. A long way to go before I buy that. Tesla. No point setting a limit order. It's not going to drop that much. Rivian. Virgin Orbit. Virgin Galactic. Okay, I've set all my limit orders. And that's it. I'm not buying anything until that happens. So all my orders are set. We're not buying on the pumps, we're buying on the dumps. Don't you just love the terminology of trading? Not buying a pump, I'm buying a dump. Don't sound good, does it? Right. Let's have a little look. 9 o'clock. So, a poll. Start a poll. Who can make my turkey fundraiser February 12th? Okay. Yes? No. The tips I get will go to Turkey. Will go to like the Red Cross, something like that. All right? So who can make that? February the 12th, Sunday. Jose, get all your friends to watch it. Let's get 1 million people to watch it. So I'm just holding now. I'm in a holding position now. I'm not just buying anything. I've got limit orders placed for all-time lows, and we're just having patience. You probably owe the Fed 38,000 tax. Bloody hell. Bloody hell, mate. What's going on with you? Virgin Galactic's it's down 1.85. We'll get a rally in a minute. We'll get a bouncer in a minute. It won't just keep going down. We'll get a rally. My wife will give a birth in a few days. I might be watching from hospital, but sure I will send link all people I know. Jose, wonderful. How cool is that? And congratulations. By the way, Jose, let us know when your wife gives birth. We'll celebrate it on the show. You're a member of our family here, and we do birthdays. We might as well do the birthday of your child. All right? So, for a very special birthday, the most special birthday there is, Jose, one of the things that you get as a member is we do birthdays live on the show. So the day your baby is born, All right. And if it's the weekend, the day after or the day before, whichever, we will do a happy birthday. Give us the name of your child and we will celebrate your child's birthday, and you will have the video to keep forever. All right. You will have it. I will do it in my music studio behind me here, and you will get to keep, and you will get to have that forever. All right. You will have that video forever. So when your child grows up, you can show them the day that they were born, the World Piano Man and all the family members of the Investor Channel sang your child happy birthday. How cool would that be? Best thing ever, right? Love it. Love it. I can't wait to do that. End phase earnings. We've got orders placed to buy more. Still going down. I've got an order at 210. It was meant to be today, but our doctor has to go to Earthquake to help the people. Hopefully Friday she will be in labour. Okay. Right, well, we will be there. Not literally. You'll be there. You'll be there. We'll just be here, respectfully, doing our happy birthday song. Okay, still going down. The overall portfolio is still going down. All right, we're looking for discounts today. Despite what's going on, my portfolio is very robust. It's why I have a defensive stock in a bear market. There we go. We picked up some more this morning. Is Apple going down now? I hope it is, because, well, no, I kind of don't really. Yeah, there we go. I trimmed it off and I bought J&J. Look at that. It was the right thing to do at this stage. Anyway, let's have a look. Right then, let's see if we can now get to 50 likes. If we get to 100 likes during the show, we'll give away a cash prize. And we'll put it towards our fundraiser on Sunday. We're doing a fundraiser on Sunday for Turkey. So here we go. Let's smash the like button. And let's see if we can get 100 likes on the show. Let's bring in the timer. You ready? Here we go. Apple's going down. That's what we want. All right, 51 watching right now. 51 watching. There it is on the screen. 52. We've got 41. Let's get to 50 likes. And once we get to 100 likes, we'll have a cash giveaway, and I'll put it towards our fundraiser on Sunday that we're doing for Turkey for the Red Cross. That's what we'll do. Awesome stuff. 25 seconds. Let's get to 50 likes. We're at 41. 20 seconds to go. Let's do it. Said chicky 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 pow pow. Said chicky 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 pow pow. With the real Satoshi. Stand up. 40 likes. We went down one. What's all that about? What's all that about? Oh well, never mind. Never mind. 58 watching right now. 40 likes. If we get to 100 likes during the show, we're going to put our cash prize today towards our fundraiser on Sunday, live on my music channel. Okay? Okay. Now then. We're doing a fundraiser on Tuesday, on Sunday. So, it's on my music channel. Now, if you don't, as we've got many people here today tuning in, let me give you the place. I will post the link there today. It'll go there today. After this show, I will do it. All right? After the show, I will do it. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to give everybody the music channel link. So you can all go there now and subscribe, ring the bell. So when I post the link, you will see it first. On Sunday, we'll do a special fundraiser for Turkey. Okay, all the money, I will take absolutely nothing, and it'll all go to 100%. Every tip for song, every donation will go to Turkey. I will take absolutely nothing, okay? Here is the link to my music channel. Okay, I need everyone to go and subscribe to my music channel right now. Here it is. Okay. There's my music channel. It's just below the investor channel. See, there it is. Go and click subscribe right now. Right now. Make sure everyone's done it. Yeah, it'll coincide with the LSC event, Stephen. Yes, it'll be on LSC as well. Yeah. Yeah. But it'll also be on YouTube, of course, because of my audience, and so I want to get to more people. But yeah, we will filter everyone through to LSC. Yeah, it will come from YouTube, and I will filter everyone to LSC. You're absolutely right, Stephen. All right, has everyone done it? Let me give it to you again. There's the music channel. Share that with everybody, and I will post the link at the end of this show. At the end of this show, I will set up the link, and all the money, 100%, I will take absolutely zero, will go to Turkey, the Red Cross, to help find and save and rescue and rebuild Turkey. Okay? Okay. The S&P is going down. We've got buy orders placed. Nothing's triggered, because if we're going to buy on the dips, we want all-time lows. Virgin Galactic. I'm not buying until this goes down to $3 because I know we're going to fly. Virgin Orbit. Rivian. We've got day trader of the day coming up as well in a few minutes. Have we got Ali Tizro in the house today? Ali Tizro. Because Ali Tizro is one of our sponsors. Here's Ali Tizro's server. If you want to be part of our crypto challenge, there's Ali Tizro's link right there. Look, in the chat is one of our sponsors, and I will share with you more information. If you use my Discord server, you get a lifetime discount for members only, of course. But then basically, my membership is virtually free. It's half price, in fact. So there you go. There is my Discord link. You can do it through that one. Do I ever think it could go down to 3? Yes, I do. Just before it flies. Just the same way as stocks are going down now. Just before they bounce back up again. Absolutely. It's very, very weak right now. Remember, it doesn't make any money right now. It's still speculative. And I'm not selling it, though. I've got my 200. I just want to add. I'm not selling it just to get $300 out of it. It isn't worth it to me. I'm just holding it. If it goes down, I'll buy some more. I've got some money on hand. All right. Anyway, let's bring everybody up to date. And I'll be right back in 10 seconds after a quick commercial break. See you back in 10 seconds from now. Okay. You can sponsor this space if you are a YouTube member, and you can be in one of these spaces right now. Here we go. See you back in 10 seconds from now. There you go. Not even 10 seconds and I'm back. Virgin Galactic still going down. Virgin Orbit returning. Rivian, still too expensive. Everything has been pumped now for a month. Got to remember that. We're up on the month. In fact, if I show you up on the year, Lucid, told everybody, no one listened to me, that Lucid was going back down. Well, some people did. Apple, I took some profits there. Amazon, wow, down to 98 now. Average cost. Remember, it's 100 times earnings. This is another very expensive stock. Another expensive stock. McDonald's also expensive. Coca-Cola, it's gone back up. There you go. There's the safe stocks. J&J's holding. That's why I've done it. Bear market territory. We want defensive stocks. We don't want to just lose all our money. When we make profits, we buy the dips on great companies like J&J. Martin, do you realistically think space will ever go back to 3? I think it's completely possible, yeah. If inflation numbers get rising again, it would be a huge problem. Oh, huge. You're absolutely right. If we end up with inflation going back up again, get ready for one hell of a drop. That's why I'm not in margin. That's why I'm taking profits. That's why I'm trimming. Next Era Energy is coming up. Phase Energy, it's coming back up. I just managed to get another share this morning. I took some profits on Apple. I'm very happy today with my decisions. Took some profits and all good. Where did I sell? I sold at 152.15. Yep, I sold higher than this. Good. Good. I'm not selling any more though. Kind of seems counterproductive. Right. Let's have a quick look. Let's see how we've grown this morning. Lucy's down now 6.1. Did we gain any subscribers this morning? 6,256. We gained another one, 6,257. Have we had 200 through the stream yet? Let's have a little look. 286. Every day my numbers go up. Look at that. We've had 286 through the stream today. Bloody hell, that's a new record. It's only 9:15. 286 through my stream. That's pretty wild. That's pretty cool. That's very cool, actually. Anyway, going down. Is J&J a good buy now? J&J, it's a great company. It's going down, of course, because of the court case of talcum powder. It's got insurance, though. It'll deal with that. It'll survive. It won't bring the company down. However, it's a defensive stock. It's where the safe money goes. It's been around for hundreds of years. It's been around since, when was it around? Since 1887. It always pays dividends. It generally increases dividends. It's got a good dividend, remember, a very good dividend for a stock that has some growth as well. 2.7, very reliable. No point having a dividend if it doesn't get paid out. And you're able to buy now because we are in a bear market. Anyone who thinks it's a bull market doesn't understand. It's a bear market rally, and now it's reversing. So we've made profits, now we're trimming off. There is no way inflation is coming down as fast as the market thinks. When 3 times more jobs are being created than the market expected, says 22. Correct. Watch oil. It's the wild card. Cause inflation to go up, says Stephen Lewandowski. Ask the question, do we already get hints for that? And the question is, do we already get hints for that with stuff like China balloon, even though the story is a bit silly? Inflation numbers get rising again. Could be, and the question is, do we already get hints for that stuff with the China balloon, even though the story is a bit silly? I'm not sure the question, Tio Roll. Ask it again. SAP to release 3,000 employees. Only SAP, S-A-P. Okay, still going down. Right, now we're getting our first rebound. Are we going to get our bounce for the day? Let's have a look. Did we manage to get some discounts? Virgin Galactic is down now. I cannot believe I'm just about to go through 300 views on our channel this morning. Phenomenal. Can't believe it. Space bouncing off the 200-day moving average is bullish, says Pete Barker. When do I think, as we all know, for those of you that have been around Virgin Galactic for a while, you know that Virgin Galactic is very quiet on their information. They're a rocket company. They're very secretive. They don't bring out any information. And I don't mind that. To me, that shows understanding of the stock at all. So I've got no issue with that at all. Okay. Can't wait, Pete. No, we're all very excited about it. Time to accumulate a bit more, but not yet. Not yet. Not yet. It can go lower. It can go lower. Rob Brennan, red days are so awesome when you're out of margin. Imagine the stress today if you was to add thousands. I know. Hey, it's going down. I like red days. Red days is when I took profit, right? I took profit today in Apple. It's going down. Great. I then used the profit to buy J&J when it went down, and now it's recovering. I've got an order to buy Coca-Cola when it goes even lower. I bought some Enphase Energy because we got earnings tonight. I've lowered from 15% down to 11% down. I mean, it's great. I'm happy. This is what the market's all about. If you just keep going up, it's kind of like a false sense of security. You don't know how much money you got. You get carried away. It all gets a bit silly. You should have taken a bit more from Apple. No, I've already done it. Remember, that's the second time. The second time I've trimmed off Apple. It's only 7.8% of my portfolio, and it's one of my top stocks. So, you know, how much more trim do you want to get? If there are rising tensions between the West and China and a trade war, this could trigger inflation in a big way. So this is a major risk for the markets. That's why I'm buying defensive stocks. Coca-Cola, J&J, and of course the S&P 500. All right. No margin here, 12,848 shares of space. Oh, lovely stuff indeed. Right. All right. If anybody wants to... I just thought of a bit of fun. I just thought of an idea, a bit of fun. Every super chat I get in the next 5 minutes, if I get any super chats in the next 5 minutes, I will buy Virgin Galactic with it. So whatever super chat I get in the next 5... If anybody wants to do a super chat, wants to highlight your name, I will... Only in the next 5 minutes. In the next 5 minutes, any super chat I get... I won't bank it. I won't keep it. I will buy Virgin Galactic. If anybody, any super chat I get in the next 5 minutes, I'll buy Virgin Galactic. Okay? So if I get $1 million in super chats, I will buy $1 million of Virgin Galactic. All right? We'll have a bit of fun. Let's see if we do. Let's see if we do. Only for the next 5 minutes. 12,000 shares of space. And you're only a bronze member, Stephen. What's going on? I know. Yeah, I know. Stephen Lewandowski. Tell you what, though. Stephen Lewandowski works really hard for me. He goes onto Facebook. He shares all our Facebook stuff. He does. He does a great job. But yeah, I agree. He's very rich. I don't know why he's not a gold member. Should be a gold member, really. Just saying. Virgin Galactic, right? Let's carry on. Doesn't look like we're going to get any super chats, so I'm not going to buy any Virgin Galactic. Virgin Orbit, Rivian, 99. Oh, there we go. Right, Virgin Galactic. I've just had a Stephen Lewandowski said buy. Right, okay. Limit order 580. Here we go. It's more than I want to spend, but I will buy Virgin Galactic. How much have I got? $10. Shares. 10, 11, 12. That's 2. There we go. Review order. And we're going to buy some Virgin Galactic right now on the show. There you go. 2 more. Very exciting. But Sir Richard's a coffee. There you go. There you go. I've just bought 2 more shares of Virgin Galactic. I said I would. Got 2 more minutes, 2-3 minutes left to go. The super chats I get this morning, I'm going to buy Virgin Galactic, and we'll make a video out of it this morning. We'll put a promotional video out. So I'll do it right now, okay? Let's do a promotional video. I'll have to cut that and bring that back in again. So what's the time? We'll make a promotional video for Virgin Galactic. Here we go. 1:47. 1:47. 1 hour 47. SPCE. Okay, here we go. Breaking news here on Martyn Lucas Investor. We're having some fun with Virgin Galactic right now. Coming up later on today, I actually have a very special video all about the new wing. But right now, what we're doing now is the super chats I get in the making of this video. I've just had a couple. I'm buying Virgin Galactic shares. So if I get $1 million of super chats right now, I will buy $1 million worth of Virgin Galactic. Whatever I get, I'm buying a Virgin Galactic right now. And we're going to put this video out because we have some other breaking news information as well about the SPCE Virgin Galactic new wing, the new wing for White Knight. Very, very exciting. So let me just bring this up on the screen. And I will show you Virgin Galactic shares are going down. I still think Virgin Galactic could go down. So if you want to see the video with White Knight's new wing, click up here and that will take you to the video of White Knight's new wing, just up here. Okay, that's being made after this video and you can go and check that out. If you want to see my full SPCE Virgin Galactic playlist, click up here. Okay, we've just got about a minute left We've had our first two buy orders come in. Whatever money I get in super chats now during the making of this video, I'm actually buying Virgin Galactic shares. So let's go back over to it right now, and you can see I've just placed 2 orders. We've got the earnings on February the 21st. We'll be there for that as well. There you go. I just got $12 in super chats. So there it is. There's the 2 shares I just bought with the super chats. So we're having a bit of fun. So let's see what happens. Here's the comments. Rob Brennan said, awesome stuff. Just enough to buy Richard Branson a coffee, says Mr. Clockwork. Very funny indeed. These are the super chats. Stephen Lewandowski from Florida gave me $10. So there you go. And I also got another one from Mr. Clockwork as well. That gave me the $12 thereabouts. So I bought 2 shares of Virgin Galactic. I still think it could go down lower. However, I'm still going to buy some if we have some fun during this. So also, we've got the earnings. Now, we are going to cover the earnings. So let me just give you the link to that as well. If you want to join us for the earnings, SPCE Virgin Galactic's earnings. Oh, hello. Ali Tizro has just donated another $3. So that's not quite enough. It's $6 a share. I've got about 50 cents left over, so I need $2 more, and I can buy another share. If you click up here, that will take you to the earnings for Virgin Galactic. So if you click up here, we are covering the earnings live on the show. We'll have pre-talk about it. We'll listen in, and then we'll discuss it afterwards. So if you click up there, that will take you to the earnings of Virgin Galactic. All right. We've just had another super chat come in from Ali Tizro. I need $2 more to buy another share, and we'll do it. Let's see if we can get a 3rd share today on this live video. Let's help Virgin fly. Yeah. And if you've just tuned in as well, on Sunday, a very special event. On Sunday, we are doing a fundraiser for Turkey, where 100% of the money that we get will go directly to the Red Cross to help Turkey. Click up here, and that will take you to the fundraiser for Turkey. We're going to give the money to the Red Cross. I'm going to take nothing out of it whatsoever. 100% of the money will go directly to Turkey. Nothing for me at all. And that link will take you to that live event on the 12th of February on Sunday. Hopefully you can join us for that. Okay, we've just got a couple of seconds to go now. Let's see if we're going to get any more. I don't think we're going to get any more. I needed $2 more to buy 1 more share of Virgin Galactic. It doesn't look like it's going to happen. So we'll count down. Oh, there it is. It's just come in from Ed Nevius. Okay, that's another share of Virgin Galactic. You'll see it come on the screen right now. Here it comes. Any second now, you'll see the super chat light up. So let me go back over here again and buy another one. So let me set a limit order. That's how we're doing it this morning. Limit order. And this time, 580. Let's just put that in. Doesn't really matter. 5 at this point, 580, and buy another share. Any second now, you should see the celebration come on the screen from Ed Nevius. 1 share, 580. So review the order. There you go. There's the super chat, and I'm going to buy another one and get in. There you go. See, I bought another one. So I bought 3 shares this morning. Now, in case anyone's thinking, hang on a minute, you're getting everybody else to pay for your shares. I'm not actually. I'm actually paying most of it myself, because when someone tips me on YouTube, YouTube take a commission. And also, the money I earn on YouTube, I pay tax on as well, because it's all declared. This is my business. So half of the money I'm getting is pretty much going in taxes and fees and God knows what else. But so I'm then buying the shares as well. So, you know. There you go. It's about 50-50, right? So there you go. Anyway, Virgin Galactic, I've now got 204 shares. Brilliant. There you go. So join us for all those special events. Hopefully by now you've already smashed the like button, subscribed, and rung the bell. Have you done all that? Have you subscribed? Have you rung the bell? We've got breaking news all the time with Virgin Galactic. Yesterday we were tracking White Knight as it was doing taxi testing. And also don't forget to like this video and join us on Sunday for our special event when we raise money for Turkey. That was a bit of fun. Until next time, take care of yourselves and each other. All right, okay. Let me clear the ticker a minute. And what shall we do? We'll do a thumbnail here. Yeah! All right, that'll do. Hopefully that ticker works. Then you double taxed. Then you're double taxed. I am paying 38,000 today. Fed tax. Oh my gosh. Unbelievable. Let's do the ticker again. Didn't load properly. I am watching Canoe and reminds me of another EV company, but I cannot remember the name. Martin, help me please. What was the company? Oh, do you mean Arrival? Do you mean Arrival? Yep. Going bust. Or do you mean Mullen? Bill is not very well. I'm sick today. Oh dear. Send some love to Bill today. Bingo, says Mr. Clockwork. Bingo. What happened to Gove? Let's have a quick look at it. Here's Gove right now. Yeah, 104. It went down to 80 yesterday. So it's a bit of a scalp trading situation right now. Hope you feel better soon, mate. Bill, we had a wonderful moment this morning. Jose from Turkey phoned in to the show. Let's do Get Wells, please, everybody. You ready? Bill is not very well today. Let's do Get Well, Bill. Copy and paste, please. Get Well, Bill. Here we go. I want to see every single person. There are 49 watching right now. So I want everyone to copy and paste like what I'm doing right now. And then post it like that. Copy and paste, copy and paste, copy and paste. All right, everybody, let's get 1 million chat rate. That would be something, wouldn't it? 1 million chat rate. Like you couldn't even see it. Tis Screen and Digital Printing says, Get Will Bill. There you go. Everyone's doing it. Fantastic. All right, then. Now then, we're going to end the show. I've got to make the video for Virgin Galactic. I'm also going to bring out the video about the wing. Or I'm also going to set up the show for Turkey's event on Sunday. And let me go over now and see if our friend came into the welcome all screen. And it doesn't look like it. We got a new member today. I wanted to welcome in. I love all the get well messages for Bill. Thank you very much indeed. I'm going to close down the broadcast lounge now. Broadcast lounge is now being shut, so no one can phone in right now. Let me close it down. Done. Now then, the breakfast bar. Who went in the breakfast bar this morning? Anybody? If you didn't go in the breakfast bar, you need to go in the breakfast bar right now. It's a new service we provide every morning. I share with you what's going on before the show. We share with you our breakfast. There you go. Start by making the bed. Always start by making the bed. There's my cup of tea after I've cleaned my teeth, look. And then here's the studio before you turn up. This is what the studio looks like before you turn up in the morning, right? This is what it looks like before you turn up. Then all the lights come on and it gets a little bit like this. Flutter Edits did it. Mike did it. Ed Nevius did it, Jason Fallon and Stephen Lewandowski. The rest of you didn't do it. So go into the breakfast lounge. It's what you have to do before the show starts. It's kind of the rules. Right, and before we finish the show, we've been sharing the links for Ali Tizro throughout the show today. Every time I do an ad, Ali, I share an ad space every 15 minutes. I share your link on the screen now in the chat. Sorry, that's what I meant to say. But we've got Ali Tizro here. Are you able to call in, Ali? So if you're interested in our $1,000 to $10,000 challenge, here's Ali Tizro. You're very welcome, Ali. Glad to see you growing. It's really looking good, isn't it? We haven't yet bought any crypto. Here's Ali Tizro's Discord server. Don't forget that if you use my server, you get a lifetime discount, and it basically gives you half my membership for free. So that's a very good way of doing it, but it's entirely up to you how you do it. It's an invitation to join. Ali Tizro, if Ali Tizro, let me know if you want to join me, and I'll reopen the broadcast lounge if you're able to. Just let me know in the chat, and if you are, I'll open it up for you. Euro is going down again. What's going on? The market's turning yet again. Let's have a look. The overall portfolio is trying to bounce back now. I'm telling Leah, says... You're telling Leah what? What are you telling Leah? What have I done? Am I in trouble? I'm always in bloody trouble. It's just part of my life. What's going on? Mr. Clockwork. The S&P is coming up. Virgin Galactic. Virgin Orbit. I won't call him, but anyone can message me on Discord. There you go. If you want to know something about Ali's... I will tell you, by the way, in case you're wondering... we haven't yet bought anything. Here is my Ali Tizro challenge. As you can see, there it is. Unlocked with my face. We haven't bought any crypto yet. We're waiting. How's Lily and Jasmine, Ali? Ali and Jasmine are lovely. There's the two women in his life. He's got a third woman, the actual woman, but the two mystery women in his life, Ali and Jasmine. We heard all about it yesterday, didn't we? That people broke the rules. Yeah, people broke the rules for the breakfast bar. I know. Hi everyone. Driving last night. Video on YouTube with Cara and Brittany. Maya Malapia. Tired trading today. I got bed to 3 a.m. Watch the video. Stephen Lewandowski has just posted that in the breakfast bar. Ali Tizro, you forgot to pay my membership yesterday, and I had to pay myself. I am disappointed. What's going on? Mr. Clockwork says, you forgot to pay my membership yesterday, and I had to pay by myself. I've no idea what Mr. Clockwork's talking about. Keep an eye on SQL. Here's some top tips today from Ed Nevius. SQL and KPRX. Do your own due diligence, of course, as always. Mr. Clockwork. One of the coins we bought a few days ago is up 50%. There are different sections on Discord. The one me and Martin are doing is a long-term safe portfolio. Yes, Ali Tizro is taking care of my money. No messing around with my money. He'll mess around with your money. He doesn't care about you. He just cares about me. He's taking care of me. It will take you down. It will take you through the hoops of risk and danger and turmoil and drama. Me, he knows better. He says, Martin, no, we can't be doing that. Did you buy Tezos? By the way, did you see all the things you asked for on the ticker, Mr. Clockwork? Ali, what's your new view on NFTs? Is that a pump and dump scheme? What do you think about that? Ali, did you buy Tezos? I think you'll see Tezos on the screen as well, on the ticker going across. Virgin Galactic, back to it now, still going down. I bought 3 more shares this morning. Oh, yeah. Right, it's time to end the show. And we've got the video coming out for the wing of Virgin Galactic. We've also got the information about the fundraiser on Sunday. And we've also got... what have we got? What else have we got? Ah, yes. The interview I had this morning with our guest from Turkey virtually brought me to tears, that did. That'll come up in today's show. That'll come up in a video as well. So look out for that. All right. That's it from me. Day trader of the day. Do day trader of the day. Go to your main portfolio. I've got 3 buy orders placed. They're not going through yet. I am down 0.81%. I'm perfectly fine with that. I trimmed off from Apple. Made some profit on Apple. And I bought Next Era Energy. I've set a buy order to buy some more Enphase Energy. I bought one and set it. Gifted membership, Mr. Clockwork. I got it, Martin, and didn't. Gifted memberships, Mr. Clockwork. I got it. Martin didn't get it. I have no idea what you're on about. No idea. Up 4.13. Here come all the scores. I also bought some J&J. That's gone back up again. Coca-Cola. Did I buy some Coke? Did I buy some Coke this morning? I don't think I did, but I placed an order. No, 59.77. No, I didn't. Up 2.1. Right, let me do all the scores. Hang on, you're too quick for me. You're too quick for me. Down 0.81. Let me put the timer on the screen. You're all too bloody quick. Can't keep up with you. It's all getting out of control. You ready? Up 4.13. Up Crag is at 1.31. German Gaming is down at 2.85. Mr. Clockwork, I'm 50% cash. I would love the market to tank. I bet you would. 2.1% FT. The FTSE looking a bit top heavy to me now. Up 2.1. Down 1.41. Get well, Get well, Bill says Eric B. We're not quick. You're just slow. I'm disappointed. Who's the winner then? 2.1, 2.85. George Semaine. It looks like George Semaine is our winner today. George Semaine. Thank you very much, George Semaine. You are our winner. Thank you very much for your honest trades. Give him a thumbs up. Oh, yeah. Do it, do it, do it. There it is. And give him the sound effects. Bring it on in. Very, very nice indeed. Thank you so much indeed. Ryan Carlson's down 2%. I like Ryan Carlson. He's always there, look, in the background, lurking. He's lurking. And then all of a sudden he comes on at the end. Congratulations, George. Yeah. Very well indeed. Get well, Bill, says Ali Tizro. Very nice indeed. Virgin Galactic still going down. Still think it can go down to 3. I bought 3 shares this morning, thanks to my super chats. I could have kept the super chats to myself. Could have kept it to myself, couldn't I? But no, I spent it. The S&P, my portfolio is heading back up again. I bought some good dips this morning. Oh, hang on. I've got... oh, no, that was Virgin Galactic. I thought I bought something. I didn't. There we go. We're getting a bounce now. So where's it going? The S&P didn't go cheap enough. Virgin Galactic, I bought 3. It's still gone down. Nothing to make there. Virgin Orbit, I haven't bought anything there. Rivian, I haven't bought anything there. Tesla hasn't gone low enough for me yet. Lucid, I didn't buy that. Apple, I trimmed off the top. It's going back up again. I'm not trimming anymore. Remind me, do not sell any more Apple. Amazon, going back up again. Arrival's down 6% now. McDonald's, too expensive. Coca-Cola, I set a limit order. I didn't buy anything there. J&J, I bought a couple there and I've placed an order. I've also got an order placed for Coca-Cola if we go any lower. Google, I didn't buy anything there. Microsoft, no, still too expensive, going up. Walmart, not cheap enough yet. Tesco, not cheap enough yet. Next Era Energy, yep, I bought some there and I bought placed another order. I bought... Oh, no, I didn't. Beg your pardon. That was on the February the 2nd I bought. I've got an order placed. So I didn't buy anything there. But I did buy Enphase Energy. I did buy one and I was 15% down. I'm now 10% down. Much, much better. And I've got an order placed to buy one. These are just day orders. They will expire later on today. So there we go. All right. Everything's looking a bit better now. So... if you've not yet subscribed to my music channel, I'm going to post after this a special video about the Turkey fundraiser on Sunday. There is the music channel. Go and subscribe and then you'll be notified the moment it goes on to the upcoming live streams. And there's the videos coming out about the new wing and our Turkey special message from Turkey as well. All right, I think that's it. Tony Mallion. Over there on Discord this morning. TikTok. How are you? Tony, how are you? Tony, are you a member on YouTube? Because on Discord, I saw you pop in. Tony said he got 1,000 followers because of my commercial that I made for him. Tony, if you... come into, I think you're a member on YouTube, right? Because I want to upgrade your account on Discord. At the moment, you're not showing as a YouTube member. I don't know if you're a member on YouTube or not. I think you might be. If you are, I want to upgrade you. That way, you can get all the perks and benefits on Discord. Right now, you're a non-member. Okay? Anyway, I think that's it for the minute. I think we're good. We're done. We're out of here. We've still got 39 watching right now, 44 likes. We never hit 100 likes. I was going to give away a cash prize. We got through 363 through my stream today. Look at that. That's phenomenal. It's only 9:45 in the morning. Incredible. I can't believe I got that high this morning. Really, really great. 6257. We gained another one. And we'll be back later, of course. Yep, that's it from me. Right. Okay, let's get out of here. The portfolio is rebounding back. My overall position is down, though. 41.4. We're down about $1,000 over the last couple of days. We were at 42.2. This is my position here. Good job today. I'm pleased with your overall performance. No tech issues. Well, I'm very glad to hear it. It does appear to be the fan, even though it doesn't measure that we're hotter or cooler today. In fact, we're down to 159. So our temperature is very, very good. It's where it was yesterday, though. But all I can say is I didn't have the fans turned on yesterday for the very first time. That's all I can say. So I think it does appear that the fans make a difference, even if it doesn't measure on the system. That's all I'm saying. Right, that's it from me. So let's bring in the end credits. Let's get out of here. Look out for the videos. Look out for turkey. All right, not chicken, turkey. Make sure you get the right one. See you back in a bit. Let's do the end screen. Let's roll the credits. Ooby doo doo, shadoo doo dat dooby doo be dooby doo. All right, here we go. End screen. Mr. Clockwork isn't a member of my Discord. Don't worry, I'm not doing anything sketchy on Discord. Yeah, what's going on, Ali Tizro? What's going on, Mr. Clockwork? See you all later. Super chats. Let's read all the comments. Who are the stars of my show today? Who are the stars of the show? We had Stephen Lewandowski, Mr. Clockwork, Ali Tizro, Ed Nevius. Basically, that was all the money I bought for the new member, Eric B. Eric B's become a member. He hasn't yet upgraded his account on Discord. Hopefully he will, and we'll be able to upgrade him. Once he just needs to sign in. If you're watching right now, Eric B, here is the Discord link. You need to call into Discord. Not call in, but just go in there. Oh, there we go. Turkish for goodbye. I love it. I love it. All right, there is the Discord link. Ali Tizro, how can I pay you if Martyn the monthly salary, dude? Ali Tizro, how can I pay you if I pay Martyn the monthly salary, dude? Hey, what's going on? You're confusing me. No one pays me anything. I don't get any monthly salary. What are you on about? Right. All right. You can have this conversation yourself. I'm not getting involved. I'm not getting involved. Right. That's it from me. Have a wonderful afternoon. Behave yourselves. Be good. And my portfolio is bouncing back now. I'm really happy. J&J still going down though. I've got an order placed to buy more when it does. But overall, we're doing all right. Tesla's coming back up. Rivian's coming back up. The S&P is coming back up a little bit. Yeah. Virgin Galactic's coming back up after I bought those few shares this morning. That's it. See you all back in a bit. Until then, have a wonderful afternoon. Let's get rid of the ticker. There it goes. See you all back in a bit. Take care of yourselves and each other.